10 ways to use coconut oil to look younger. Use it as a shaving cream. Coconut oil doesn't need a lot of heat to melt, so keeping a glass of it in the bathroom will be the right thing to do when it softens. Apply a little of it on the desired area and rub and do the shaving. This will make a great non-toxic version of the shaving cream and keep your skin smooth and soft. Make a natural insect repellent. Apply 25 drops of rose essential oil and 1/4 cup of coconut oil on your skin to keep insects away from you. This will not help you rejuvenate, but it can keep you from getting sick, prevent the danger that insects carry with them. Use it as a sunscreen. Did you know that coconut oil contains about 5 to 7 SPF? Although you shouldn't use it in the sun for long periods of time, it's great for short walks or outings. You can also combine it with zinc oxide, which helps keep light out of your skin reflect. Make your own body lotion and lotion. Apply lotion and natural butter to your body. All you need is coconut oil, optional essential oils in a hand mixer or electric mixer. Combine ingredients and mix for 5 minutes, until ready. Now that you've made your body butter, it hydrates your skin and keeps it fair and healthy. Use it as a cuticle cream. Sometimes our nails can be dry and brittle, especially in winter. However, coconut oil can help with dehydration of the skin and nails. Easily apply coconut oil on your fingertips and rub it on your nails. Do not wash it, just wipe it off a little with a paper towel to keep some of it on the nails. Add it to your hair conditioner. Shampoo your hair first to wash away any dirt or bacteria. Now let it start in the emollient recipe. All you need is coconut oil, jojoba oil, and essential oils. Combine 2 parts coconut oil and 1 part jojoba oil in a bowl. Pour them into a glass jar and seal tightly. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and finally rinse with cold water. This conditioner will make your hair soft and silky, and it will also eliminate hair loss due to the moisture in the oil. Make a skin moisturizer. Do all the tips in section 3 again except for the oils you want to keep on your skin, and don't wash it off with water. You never need a lotion or face cream, just use coconut oil. Nutrients keep your skin alive and healthy, plus it smells great and can help prevent skin wrinkles. Use it as a natural makeup remover. Coconut oil not only increases the moisture of the skin, but you can also put some of it on a piece of cotton and remove makeup naturally without any additives and chemicals that dry out your skin. After removing makeup, remove your face. Dry with warm water and a soft towel. Make your own deodorant and perfume. Add a little coconut oil, a little baking powder and a portion of carbonated beverages, fluoride powder, and cornstarch and mix. Add your favorite essential oils to the fragrance you like and the fresh scent. When you change your mind to a more natural deodorant, you'll find that you have to extend it further because the deodorants on the market block your pores and prevent you from sweating. In fact, they are not healthy. You can be sweeter with natural deodorants, but they are healthier and non-toxic. Add it to your toothpaste or try to lubricate it. Coconut oil naturally whitens teeth and contains antibacterial elements that keep your mouth fresh and healthy. If you want to make your own toothpaste, easily melt coconut oil, soda, and your favorite essential oils. Mix together, pour into a bowl and enjoy your natural toothpaste, which will last you longer and save you money. Rubbing oil is an aerodynamic cleaning technique that removes toxins from the body. And it can even destroy tooth cavities. All you have to do is drink a tablespoon of oil and hold it in your mouth for about 20 minutes and roll it in your mouth, then brush your teeth normally. 20 minutes is a long time for beginners, so start with 1 or 2 minutes and raise it. Follow and subscribe us for more video.